gentlemen, to our final day of this SuperWeek in the European League of Legends Championship Series.
It's the final countdown.
And we'll see if Tabs can get away.
Oh, there is the flash going to come out, but they managed to land the Q, and then they kick right back into countdown, and we'll finish this one off.
This is exquisite play from Copenhagen Wolf.
Oh, it's like mime in Swedish.
Mime.
Or like the Swedish pronunciation.
Mime.
Don't forget words and talk a lot.
And kill them.
And kill them, yeah.
And there is Kurt diving around as well. Solar Flare not going to be the most impressive we've seen out of J-Reed, and that might cost Millennium. They are going to be losing men left and right. Carnex is going to struggle. That's a good kick, but it only prolongs the inevitable.
We can go on then. He missed. Okay.
He's done. Finish Jax.
I'm behind.
Okay, keep going.
Lee. Nice.
Push bot.
Darien, Diamond, Niku, Genja, Edva.
There's the wild growth being used. It went on to Diamond. Jankos gets focused on. Good Zonya's coming out straight away from Nick there. Didn't focus on picking in that one. You can see Darien locking in towards it. Salavar caught out. He's going to get locked down. Nick gets him.
You saw my E-flash on main, it was like... It was not necessary, but it looked cool.
Fnatic chasing on this one. If they get the they can finish the game right now. They're pushing on through. Wicked's going to get taken down. He's got no wild growth available. He's going to get caught out. Tab gets exploded by Peke. Fnatic could take